Hey guys, Alex here with Heckman Productions and welcome to another vlog. It's Labor Day weekend, got an awesome weekend lined up. We're about to leave. We're actually heading up north. My in-laws live in Baldwin area. So today on our way up, it's Friday, we're gonna go ride at Big Air. So I haven't been to Big Air in a couple years. I'm really looking forward to riding that today. And then tomorrow we're gonna ride at what used to be the dog track. It's now owned by the Steffes family. So we're gonna go ride there, see what that's all about. I heard it's sandy, which is great because I got paddle on. So ready for that. And then Valley, on our way home, we're gonna stop and race, do the Monday race. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along for the ride and hopefully we get some sweet footage for you. Big Air Moto Club. Big Air, big fun. 4:34, right on time. So they just called up AB practice. Not a ton of people here, but enough to have split practices. AB, then CD, and then minis. Minis are about done. So I just got ready, just perfect timing. So yeah, hopefully the track is sweet. And then watering. Are you excited, Natalie?
Sure.
Yes? No? Maybe?
I said sure.
Oh, okay. Okay, good. I couldn't hear this. Let's go get it. welcome back to the shirtless Alex Heckman show. Track is awesome. I absolutely love this place. I wish we got up here more. Case of Jesus out of that triple first time I tried it. It's a lot bigger than it was, and I obviously didn't hit it hard enough. Almost went over the bars because it's such a steep landing. And then the barn double, they might have shortened that because I overshot that, and I'll lie, a lot. But granted, I haven't rode here in 2 years, so I didn't really remember how fast I had to hit it. I just kind of was gauging it based on sight. So yeah, but that last session I was flowing, I was having fun. I didn't even realize I did the whole session. Like I was like, all right, I need to back it down, and then it's checkered flag. So yeah, I got pretty good arm pump from that, but we're gonna go out one more time and maybe not try to sprint, but just try to flow and have some fun and maybe throw some whips. So Natalie's been doing an awesome job at getting some clips of me, so I really appreciate that. But yeah, this is just stop one. I can't wear myself out too much here. So yeah, having a great time, and one more time out, and then we're gonna get heading on up to my in-laws. Alright, so it's Saturday. It is, shoot, I don't know what time it is, but it's probably around noon or so. But we're getting ready to head out to the Steffes compound. I don't know if they're watering or if they have a watering rig. I hope they do, because it's warm and it's sandy, so it has the potential to just be a dust bowl, but I hope that's not the case. But yeah, I'm in a camper. My in-laws live with their parents, who have an awesome house, and we're just staying in the camper that's also on the property hooked up. So yeah, it was an awesome ride yesterday, and hopefully it have an awesome ride today as well. And then one day off, and then off to Valley. So yeah, go ahead and get loaded up and be on our way. Day 2, riding a new track. See what it's all about. I was told it looked really dry by someone else, but I don't see much dust, just a little bit, which is nice. So here we are, Steffes compound. I don't know where I need to go.
And if you go for that triple, I highly recommend scrubbing it to the double first. Like hard scrub, because that thing just sends you flocking down.
Wow. think of the, what's this place called? Steffes compound.
Oh, are you asking me?
Yes.
Oh, it's sandy.
Yeah, it's very dry. There's a quad, a guy on a utility quad out there. I don't know if he's patrolling the track or actually riding, but he was stuck when I came around one lap, so I didn't know what to think. The track, I feel like, would be absolutely epic if it was wet, like if it was properly watered. But even so, as long as I'm not behind someone, it's really fun. So I'm gonna go out at least 2 more times and try to find some flow and just have some fun. The big jump I've only hit once, but it's decent size, but the landing's really steep, so you gotta be really good with it. So yeah, having a good old time here. Fashionably late as always. My practice just took off, so Natalie's finishing the sign-up information, and I'm just gonna hop on the track. So expected. Deer Valley. Did practice. Snuck out for an additional practice. But only me in 250A here today. And there's only one other person in 14 plus. So pretty low pressure for today, which is fine by me. I really just want to ride the track. So it's hopefully won't get too rough with the limited turnout. Natalie's over here listening to music, having a good time. But we're just chilling. It's weird being at the track and not needing to do like photos and videos and stuff. But I am doing photos for one friend, but that's it. So it's pretty low pressure. But yeah, I'm not till race 13, so I changed back to regular clothes. Race 13 and 19. Did not get ideal race numbers today, so that's all right. We'll make it work, and at least there is somewhat of a gap. So yeah, we'll have a good time today, regardless. So race 1 recap. Started in like 3rd. Probably could have been better had I hit the corner better, but still came out 3rd and then made a mistake and was in 4th. Still, like, I haven't been on the track since the practice, and I'm race 13, so I was trying to figure out the lines where the roughness was, and then I had Reed Dixon crash in front of me. Well, he was in the lead, he crashed, and I almost hit him. But then the guy that was right in front of me swerved around him, and I was able to get up the inside of both of them and be in 2nd. And then the guy in front of me was in 25 plus, so I didn't need to get him, but I was still trying to like see if I could get close to him. And the track's actually really fun. There's a couple really nice lines. For once, the quads are actually making the track better, which I don't say very often. But there are some rough spots for sure, but I'm having a good time. I got pretty bad arm pump, so I'm gonna try to not push so hard so fast in the beginning of the race. I overshot the 110 lap one by a ton, and I don't want to do that again. I need to check my spokes. So next race is coming up here shortly, so we're gonna get after it all over again. All right, hopefully you can hear me. It's kind of breezy, so I don't know how bad that is on the phone, but 250A Moto 1 went pretty well. Managed to eke out the whole shot, which was pretty cool because I was going against primarily 450s. I think there's only 3 of them, and I'm pretty sure they're all 450s. And it's open B anyways, is who I dropped with. They did 125 BC as well, but they did them as a second drop. So just kind of went out there and rode. Track's fun, so I'm just trying to have fun. Throwing some whips, as I'm sure you've seen. So just gonna go finish out the last 2 motos, and then we're gonna pack up and get out of here. Pretty ready to go home myself, and I know Natalie is too. It's been a really long weekend, so I think they're on race 8 right now, and I'm race 13, so probably start getting changed here pretty soon. Okay, going out one more time. I'm absolutely exhausted from that moto. I was trying really hard to keep them behind me, and then I made that mistake, and it all went downhill from there. So this one's, I'm the only one in the class, so we're just gonna go have fun. I'm gonna try to pull another hole shot and see where I end up at. So that's the goal. It's the game plan. Natalie's ready to go home, and so am I. It's been a very long weekend. Yeah, nice racing.
Yeah.
Want me to pour some water on you?
No, I do want to drink some water. That wraps up today. I ended up finishing that last moto with the win, even though I was the only one in the class. But Mr. Weiler kept me honest the whole time, so it still feels good to like battle to the end because it's going to be my last race for who knows how long, for a while. If you want to know why I'm going to be done racing, refer to round 10 Merlin's vlog. But I can only imagine how long this vlog has been, so really appreciate you watching it, especially if you watched the whole thing. It was a really fun weekend with a lot of good times and good memories. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to check out the links below and check out our sponsors.